In the heart of Moscow, a street vendor flips golden Pirozhki, inviting passers-by with a whisper of onions and beef. Each bite carries centuries of warmth from family kitchens, migration routes, and festive tavern lore, all folded into soft dough. The cooks share secret fillings and careful braising tricks, while elders recall how Pirozhki fed workers after long shifts and fishermen at dawn. A young apprentice explains pastry discipline, preserving tradition yet embracing modern twists that delight urban palates. The episode closes with a shared smile and a street's living memory,